Hi guys, Pickbeard here, and tonight I'm going to try and pick this Eurospec MP5. It's one of these. Here is the bitting on the key. Not too bad, nothing too special. Here's a thumb turn. Let's focus on that. There's a thumb turn. Okay, take it out of the vice so it's easy to see. So it does work. Thumb turn and the cam locked up. I'm going to turn the thumb turn just so it fits in the vice. Okay, I will show you it is still locked up even though everything's turned. I'll get this thing picked. Short end to go into the lock, massively long tension tool just for extra feedback, and a Peterson gem, just because I like using that one this week. So feeling through from the front to the back, looking for try and get some decent, there you go, looking for some nice high pins in here. Trying to get past the pins are oversetting as per usual, and dropping a tension wrench on the floor as per usual. So where's that gone? Somewhere. Let's pick another one up. Hopefully. Oh God. Well, I have picked it. Absolutely hilarious. So I hate it when that happens because it just looks silly. It's locking back up. It locked up. We'll try it again with this tension tool, and that was just ridiculous. Try and keep the tensioning tool in the lock this time. It's never going to be as quick. Second time round, there we go. Second time round. Picked open again. Where are we at? 3 minutes. Well, whilst we're on a roll, that's that one picked. I'll show it back in working order again. There you go, lovely. Once we've got that, let's have a look at this lock. It's a discus. Rubbish bitting on the key, as you will see. Let's put that down there. We'll focus in on that. Absolutely rubbish. The reason I'm showing this is just because it is so rubbish. Lovely, no welds all the way around. Single bit of metal. It's an AM-Tech. If I can find the box for it. There it is. It's an AM-Tech 90mm. I love the AM-Tech quality tools. Get there, there's my phone in the background. Supplied with 2 keys, ideal for security applications, or many of them. Don't know what, but quite a big seam down there, and it's, you could probably slide a penny, 1p piece down there, or a dime, depending on where you come from. Thing I have noticed with it is easily open with a, this is a Sparrows, but you know, there are other city rakes out there, and it's I would have said partly to do with the poor make of it, and partly to do with the key bitting, but if you just find the right spot on the lock, actually I should show it. Locks up again. There's quite a lot of slop in the core as well. There you go. Locked up. If you do find the sweet spot, you can just depress the pins, and hopefully this will work first time. Yeah, there we go. And open it. Almost like a oh dear me, can't remember what they're called now. The rakes with the fingers on them. I suppose people call them finger rakes or something, but they're the ones for the old padlocks. Escapes me now. The name escapes me, but anyway, just a quick one on a cheap, rubbish padlock. That was again AM-Tech. Just have a good look. Don't think there was any real security. Well, there wasn't any security pins in there. Can't be. No, just push them down and turn the core. Just be wary of those, especially if the bitting is silly easy like that, almost like a blank key. Thanks for watching, guys. Peak bed out.